Hi, it's Lou Collins today with another quick tip for you. So I want to show you how I get a nice neat finish when I'm tying a ribbon and I want it to have a knot in it. So in the past you might take your ribbon and wrap it around a card, tie your knot in it like so. What this is going to do then is going to ruffle up the edges of your ribbon. Your knot won't necessarily sit where you want it to sit either. So this is a much neater way of doing it. So you'll need two bits of ribbon. You'll need a longer one that will wrap around your card, and then you'll need a shorter one. So the longer one I'm going to just wrap around, and of course do this before you do your matting and layering. Okay, I'm just going to tape down the ends here. You don't need the end of your ribbon quite as long as that, but just for show there. Okay, so that's obviously not a straight ribbon, but you'll get the effect. So I've just taped my ribbon down, but that leaves this all open. Okay, now I'm going to take my scissors. Now I actually use embroidery scissors for a lot of things just because they are really, really sharp and have a lovely sharp point on them. So I've cut a couple of inches of ribbon here. I'm just going to slide this underneath my ribbon, and now I'm going to tie my knot. So this way, firstly, I don't need to worry about the length of my ribbon, but secondly also I can tie this really neatly. It's much neater because we're only gathering the ribbon a little bit where we want it and not actually twisting it. So then you can sort of play with that a little bit, play with the ends, trim the ends up if they need to as well, but it's a much neater finish. The beauty of it, of course, also is if you're happy or not happy with where that is sitting, you can actually slide this along, so you can move it somewhere else on the card. If you think later on, actually I think I'd prefer it to sit somewhere else, you can do that much easier. So that's how I add a ribbon knot to my cards really quickly and easily, and with as much versatility as possible.